Guys, I had a few questions on problems like this. This one is number 10 on the Google Sheet. So I wanted to go over it with you. You guys are doing a great job of combining like terms. So we're going to look in these problems and see which terms are like terms. And you will see 9r goes with minus r. And I circle the minus because it reminds me of what I need to do with these two terms. But notice 11 doesn't have an r with it. So it's not a like term. So what I need to do is I need to combine 9r and minus r. But r doesn't look like it has a coefficient, but it really does. Anytime you have a variable that stands alone, its coefficient is 1. So now we're thinking, what is 9r minus 1r? If you do the subtraction, you would get 8r. Now the 11 isn't a like term with r, so I'm not allowed to combine it. And since there are no other like terms that go with 11, I just tack it on to the end. And this is my expression. I hope that helps. Have a good day.